Public art is important too because it puts everybody in the same place, you know? It's not like levels, it's for everybody. My name is Edwin David Sepúlveda. A lot of people know me as Adon Rimex. I'm from Puerto Rico. I consider myself an artist. For this piece, the inspiration is mostly the students and the way of creative mind of each one. And that, how the energy in between all the students in this building specific, how they combine and how they work together. I want to make, something interesting for them. Some parts I'm figuring it out in the space, so moving around and looking for different points of view, like when you get out of the bathroom, it's a point of view from them. When you come in from the entrance, that's another point of view. When you're sitting down, so I'm walking around, sitting down, like trying to gather, like I'm as a student, because it's important for me, that relationship in between the student and the art. For me, the art always is being an important role in the humanity, The art connects us. It takes us a part of the routine. It makes us think, For me, it's like starting a good conversation.